Courtney, and thanks for tuning in again. And in today's video, we're going to talk about what exactly is a digital marketer. So you're probably wondering, you're searching online, like what's this digital marketing thing about? Like, who are digital marketers? Who are social media marketers or affiliate marketers? So stay tuned and watch this video to its entirety, because I'm going to give you 5 major areas of digital marketing that you can start today in your business right now. Or if you don't have a digital marketing business, you could still use one of these major areas or tips for your business. So what's digital marketing all about? So digital marketing is when you market products and services that involve electronic devices. So this is all online stuff. So usually when you go to like a training or a seminar and stuff, they give you like booklets or pamphlets, stuff like that. So if you do a training or a course online, everything will be basically given to you in electronic type of format, so you can't print it or whatnot, but everything is online. It could be videos, it could be PDF files, it could be any type of document. So everything is digitally there for you. So it's not like a physical product that you'll be getting. But the cool thing about digital marketing is that it's online, but it can also be offline too. I've had some experience with offline marketing, and I will say that I didn't have the best success from it. Like, I'm talking about talking to your families and friends, going to Walmart, passing out pamphlets of fire, doing bandit signs. I mean, I've done it all. Didn't have much success with it. Some people I know have, and they generate a lot of income from it. But today, I'm just going to talk about the 5 major areas of online marketing that is basically online, not offline. So we're not going to sit there and focus on anything offline today. I could shoot a video later about some offline. So one of the 5 major areas to start off with is content marketing. So content marketing is basically you're focusing and creating products that are valuable, that are relevant for your prospects. So basically, you're creating a product, you're marketing it to a customer, and basically the end result is to try to make a profit from it. So it could be anything like creating an article, creating a blog post, like if you have a blog, anything that's valuable and relevant that you could put out into the market and that you could sell to people. So that's one major area that you do. And actually, you know what? I really include this overall. Like this one, it's not even just one area that I would just focus on. It's like I make sure I include this along with another area that I'm going to be talking about. Social media marketing. So I want to say this is the greatest way for you to reach your prospects and your customers. So basically, if you're a business and you're a digital marketer, social media marketer, affiliate marketer, whatever you want to call it, if you got a business going on and you're not sitting there marketing on like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, you don't basically have an online presence, you're missing out completely. Like you have to have some type of online presence. And this is huge for digital marketers out there. Like you got to be sharing your content online. Online is like where it's at. Like if your business, you're not online, I'll be quite honest, you are definitely missing out. This is how you're going to drive your user engagement and connect with people online. And right now, nowadays, it's 2018, and majority of people are online. Businesses, they're trying to get more online. More people are using their computers and their cell phones and stuff like that. So you got to get out there online. So PPC. So this is pay-per-click advertising. It's one of the fastest ways to draw customers to your website. This is you pay for ads or services to get the traffic to come in. So this is not a free marketing approach that you could use to like social media, online, or even offline marketing. It's powerful. I'm telling you, it's powerful. I definitely recommend that if you do a lot of free traffic, free marketing, that you're going to want to do paid advertising too. At least 10 to 20% of your business needs to go to paid advertising to drive that traffic. And this is how you can reach a lot of your cold markets out there and stuff versus some of your warm markets. But basically, it's something simple as placing an ad, like YouTube has the ads, or Google has the ads, has their AdWords and stuff like that. You place the ad, you pay a small fee, and sometimes you'll pay for that fee when somebody like clicks on your site or something like that. I've dibbled and dabbled with like YouTube ads. I've dibbled and dabbled with Facebook ads. They're all good. But if you do want to get into it, focus on one, learn everything you want to know about it, and just go for it. And you will definitely see the difference in your business just from paid advertising. But to be quite honest, out of the 3 that we just mentioned, I would definitely include PPC in one of them, and definitely social media. And content marketing, I feel like content marketing just comes with it anyway. You got to have valuable content coming out there and stuff. So what's the fourth major area is, let's go to affiliate marketing. So this is my favorite income stream. I am an affiliate marketer. So basically you earn a commission by promoting somebody else's products. So usually these are licensed products that somebody else has created. This takes out all the guesswork that you have to do individually. You don't have to create your own products. You don't have to go through all the steps and building your own product base up. So basically you use somebody else's stuff that's already created, that's already been tested in the market, that's already been a successful product that's bringing in income. And basically you sell it. You get a commission from it. Boom. I mean, it's like that simple. Like, so that's what you do. You just promote, what do they call it? OPP kind of thing, like, or something like that. You just promote other people's property. So pop or something. I don't know. But it's great. And you earn a profit just from that sale. I mean, it could be 50% commission. It could be 80% commission. I've even been equated with some affiliate market products where I've gotten 100% commission from it, and I know other people do. But that's where the passive income comes in. That's where sometimes the residual income coming in. So if you're not in affiliate marketing, I definitely suggest you check it out. If you're interested in what my affiliate marketing business is about, just go to the description that's a part of this YouTube video and click on the link that's in there, and you'll be redirected to a free video. You'll put in your email address, be redirected to a free video. You can find out everything that I do in my affiliate marketing business, the commissions that come in and whatnot. So the last one, let's move on, is email marketing. So email marketing is another effective digital marketing strategy where you basically send emails to your prospects and customers. So this is how you sort of like follow up with your customers on a daily, sometimes even weekly basis, however you want to do it for your business. It's very effective. It's another way for you to convert your prospects into customers, turn your buyers into basically loyal fans. It's great. Like now for me, I have an email base, and if I can't send an email out every day, I try to at least do maybe 2 times a week. I don't always pitch in my emails. I can send out, like I said earlier, it goes back to content marketing. You can send out free and relevant marketing content, like, hey, check out my new blog post, or check out my new video, like, here goes some free tips for this, or here, I just developed a free PDF, a book for you, here, download it, like stuff like that. And then, here and there, I'll like, here goes my business opportunity, check it out if you're interested or whatnot. But just want to wrap this up, guys. This is basically what a digital marketer does, what a social media marketer does, affiliate marketer does. But these are 5 major areas of online marketing, basically. So you got content marketing, you got social media marketing, you got PPC and affiliate marketing and email marketing. I pretty much do them all, sometimes more than others. But, just pick an area that's like best for you. That's probably what I recommend. And like I said, if you're interested in learning more of what I do in my affiliate marketing business, just click on the link in the description and you'll be taken to a free video. I'll tell you everything about what I do. So thanks for watching this video. I'm so glad you watched it to the end. If you didn't know much about me, my name is Courtney. I am a digital marketer, affiliate marketer. I'm a mom of 2. I love what I do, and I make extra income from home. I mean, it's awesome. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Take care.